Hello, students. A very good morning to one and all. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. In the last lecture, we have done the micro, small, and medium enterprise sector. In that, we have completed all the topic. So, today we are moving ahead with the next content of your unit third, that is industrial sector and the service sector. So, after micro small medium enterprises in industrial sector, there is a one more important factor which we have to be in focus, because that factors again it is very harmful for the environment, it is harmful for us, and it is again harmful for the growth of the economy somewhere or the other. So we are going to start with the chapter name, that is industrial pollution in India. You all are aware about the pollution, what kind of pollution, what are the different types of pollutions are there in India, right? In different forms we can say. But today we are going to see over here that industrial waste, that how this industrial sector is uh, going with an increase in the pollution, which again going to affect Indian economy in an adverse effect. So I'm going to start over here with the introduction part, that is a meaning of industrial pollution. It is one of the negative and a harmful outcome on the industrialization is your industrial pollution. It's a very negative and a harmful outcomes. Even sometimes we also don't know what can be the negative effect of it. Pollution, air pollution, there are different types of pollution, so that pollution somewhere or the other affect us as well as to the environment. Next one over here is industrial pollution refers to the addition of any substance to the environment that has harmful or the poisonous effect. Poison effect. Here, he is saying that if there is any harmful thing which is going to be added in the environment substance, in the environment thing, which is again going to harm human being as well as what we are going to say the ecosystem, which is on the land, in the water, in the air, any of the form. It has a negative effect in every things and the non-living things. Now, this substance can be in a form of solid, can be in a form of liquid, or can be in the gases form. There is only three types of forms where you can classify this pollution, that is solid, liquid, and gases. There is one more form of energy form, that is your heat, sound, and radioactive. This is again going to harm a person, where we are going to say about heat, sound. So much of sound pollution can make a people not to listen in the future period. So much of sound, this radioactivity, this radioactive radiation again going to affect the human being. Now the this people human being are totally dependent upon the mobiles, right? So that connection, your connectivity, your tower, when we are going to talk in the mobile, when we are going to use mobile for a larger time, at that time, now our brain is going to affect from that radio, from this variation, from their antenna, we can say radio waves. So again we are going to be damaged physically, mentally too, right? So this was the introduction and the meaning of your industrial pollution. Next is pollution is caused when the harmful substance added in the environment at the rate faster than they are dispersed. They are diluted. they are decomposed, recycled or store some harmless form. यहाँ पे जब तक हम सोचते हैं कि वो सब्सटेंस, चलो अभी हम देखते हैं कि जो इट विल मिक्स और नॉट, it will be mixed already in the environment, it is already in mixed in the air, it is already mixed in the water, it is already mixed in the different forms. So when we are going to say about recycle, decompose, store something, till then the things, the substance has been added in the environment at a very, very faster rate. Next one over here is any forms of pollution whose sources can be, so sorry, it's a spelling mistake. Sources can be traced in the industrial activities is termed as your industrial pollution. Any form of pollution, here we have seen solid, liquid and gases, so these form of pollution whose sources can be traced in the industrial activities termed as the industrial pollution. And as per the practical thing, there is no industry which does not create any kind of wastage. There is no industry at the large level, at the large scale, medium scale, or your small scale. There is not a single industry that does not generate waste from it. So, here we are going to see what are the types of industrial pollution. The first one is the air pollution. In this air pollution, they are going to relieve a harmful air, different, harmful, different gases, different your carbon dioxide, nitrogen, again that will affect the people. Now I can give this example, as you have seen that MIDC road of Dombivali, the Shilfata road. When you go to from Kalyan, when you go to that Shilfata road towards Shilfata road from the MIDC Dombivali or Kalyan side, that road in between there is a company, rubber company. In that, when you go that side, you won't be able to breathe. You can go at any time, in the morning, in the evening, in the afternoon, in the night. You cannot survive, you cannot take a breath. The smell is so, इतनी गंदी smell है ना, मतलब sometimes I feel that okay, I'm just going to close my nose, but still वो smell ना ऐसा लगता है अंदर जाके it's destroying inside. So that much harmful air it is, that much harmful, we can say, your different forms of oxide that again going to release in terms of your this part, again it going to destroy a human being. Next pollution is your water pollution. Now, this water pollution, mostly industries use either air method, right? So, air mostly are used by the chemical industries, right? And this water is your one of the things where it is one of the very dangerous pollution where we are saying about the waters, we are saying about the rivers, we are going to say about the seas, right? So they are going to they are connected with these rivers and they are going to just put the waste, industrial waste in the river, so that again our the river, जो हमारा रिवर है, जो हमारे सीज हैं, जो हमारे लेक्स हैं, उनको फुल डिस्ट्रॉय करते हैं. सो हियर द ड्रिंकिंग वाटर हैज बीन reduced because this waste has been directly connected with the seas or the rivers or the lakes. Now, as per this water pollution, there was a good example, that is the Ganga Ghat, Ganga River, right? In that, government have invested many crores. Government has invested many crores of amount to clear that river, but that was not successful. During this lockdown period, within 15 days, the whole river was very clean. The whole river again give a fresh water. We can again drink that water. It is only because in that lockdown, whole industries were shut down. पूरी इंडस्ट्रीज बंद हो गई थी. If the industries remain shut down, there is no wastage. If there is no wastage, the wastage has been stopped for 15 to 20 days. That on this 15 to 20 days, the river was totally clean. So the government have invested 20,000 crores for cleaning that Ganga river. Only this lockdown period has automatically cleaned that river, right? By shutting down the industries as well as the people who are going to put that waste on the river. हमको ऐसा लगता है कि भगवान का जो कचरा होता है वो हमें रिवर रिवर में डालने से क्या होगा. वी आर अगेन गोइंग टू pollute द रिवर सीज एंड लेक्स. सो बेटर ऑप्शन इफ इट इज अ वो कचरा है तो कचरे में ही जाना चाहिए. It's our belief. But now as per the situation, if this condition is going to be happen, then we won't be getting any water for the drinking. हमें पानी पीने के लिए मिलेगा ही नहीं. Again, it's going to be very very harmful. Next one over here is, this is your soil contamination. Now this is a land, right? In this land you can see that more plastics are been there, right? So this plastic is covering the land from the moisturizer part, right? Land need heat, land need water, land need your other things to maintain their fertility, to maintain that quality. But as we are going to put more and more plastic, if we are going to use more and more this plastic bottle, plastic bags, and we are going to throw them like this, so now the land which can be used for the agriculture part, now this land cannot be used in any of the terms. Because due to this, now if there is a rain, now the water cannot go inside only because of this plastic. So they are going to reduce the quality of the land, they are going to reduce the soil of the land. So this is your soil pollution. Only it's due to the plastic things which cannot be decomposed. And now as you see, there are many campaign which are going to be there are many campaign against this recycling of wastage. Because the if we are not going to take this wastage in a different form, or if we are not going to keep this wastage in a different way, then we are going to again spoil the whole economy. वापस से हमारा सिचुएशन उल्टा हो जाएगा. एंड दिस इज द वन योर, this is something your buses, traffic means sound p. Now this will affect your, again, a noise pollution. Now here, as you say, Mumbai and Delhi is very famous for its traffic part, and people are actually through this traffic. There is two air there are two types of pollution. First, the noise pollution, p. Again, that sound can create an so sorry, your headache, right? And again, with the not closing your or not shutting down your car, right? Car ko on rakh rahe, then again that fuel, there will be air pollution, both the pollution at a time in the traffic part. So this is your noise pollution. And the last one over here is the toxic waste. टॉक्सिक वेस्ट होता है आपका दैट वेस्ट which they are going to release the harmful chemicals in the any of the form. It can be on the water, it can be on the land, or under the land. It can be in the any form, the wastage of your chemical part. So we are going to see all this in a very detailed manner in the next slide. I hope you are clear with all the types of industrial pollution. Now we are going to start with the water pollution. Water pollution is caused by the industrial waste which allowed to flow into the water bodies. So यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? They have explained over here that it is caused by the industrial waste which we are going to add in the water bodies, right? So, in India, the industry that contribute most of the water pollution are chemical, textile, dyeing, paper oil, refineries, and leather units. This is the very, we can say it is very of the important factor. As you see, in Ulhasnagar, near to the station, there is a river. Actually, it's a river, but we have not seen that river a very clean river. क्यों हमने वो रिवर को क्लीन नहीं देखा? And actually, I was not knowing that that was a river. I thought that is something called आपका कचरा निकलता निकलता, because I have not seen a clear river in that उल्लासनगर स्टेशन नियर. स्टेशन के साइड में है ना वो ब्रिज, वेस्ट की तरफ जाते हैं, तो वो रिवर है. इट्स अ रिवर, but I have never seen a clean water in that river because of there are many factory, there are very many industries related to dyeing, jeans industry, so they are going to release their waste over there. सो वो पानी क्लियर कैसे होगा जब वो गंदा पानी, योर ब्लू वाटर, योर रेड वाटर, योर मतलब the waste water they are going to add in that river. So how that river is going to be clean? So these are the major contribution for the water pollution in India. That is chemical, textile, dyeing, paper, oil refineries, and leather units. Next one over here is unregulated growth and the geographical spread of small unit has been one of the major cause of the pollution. Unregulated growth and geographical spread of small units. So now हमने जो ग्रोथ की है विच आर नॉट समवेयर विच इज नॉट बैलेंस्ड ओवर देयर, एंड देर आर द स्मॉल सेक्टर यूनिट्स आर everywhere in the India, right? जो small skills units है which is there in each and every part of India. So again, it's an industry. They are going to produce the wastage. They are going to generate the wastage. So these are the major cause of the pollution. Next one over here is the air pollution. Now, this air pollution is caused by the presence of the harmful gases. What kind of harmful gases? Like sulfate dioxide, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide released when fuels are burned. In the noise pollution, as I've said, due to traffic, there is two pollution at a time, that is air and the noise. So this air pollution where we are not able to breathe. Now I'm going to take the same example which I explained you in the introduction part, that is your MIDC road towards your Shilfata road. We are not able to take a, we are not able to breathe, we are not able to, मतलब ऐसा लगता है कि बस we should not go from there. But people actually don't have option. उनको वहां से जाना ही पड़ता है. Either they have not followed the rules and regulations, either the people are staying there, some or the other is the reason. Because we are as per my experience, the people cannot survive over there. It's a very itna ganda smell aata hai. Sometimes it's like that, if I'm going to pass for 2 to 5 seconds only, I feel that still from after that smelling, still ऐसा लगता है कि 4-5 घंटे भी वो स्मेल ऐसा आता है. So it's very dangerous. Now this airborne parti- particulate materials, participate materials in solid and the liquid form. They can be in the, any of the form. Next, smoking emitted by the chemical plants, paper, plants, factories, refineries, etc. result in the air pollution. And the last one, the one of the biggest example for the air pollution was the Bhopal gas tragedy in the year 1984. This is the biggest disaster in India. Not in India. If I'm going to give the examples to you, there are many, many, many. As you see now, there were many, many leakage, many fires, right? Again, there is a huge fire in the industry. So these are the one of the examples of your air pollution. I'm going to give you example which is not in India. That is your Amazon forest. That forest is one of, we can say, give a nature हमें वापस देता था, but that forest has been burned and there is a very huge air pollution in India. Now there are many, many, many examples for that, right? As you see, due to this COVID-19, now this air pollution, we are going to be prevented from that due to the mask part, right? Again, there is a more and more air pollution. Next one over here is a soil pollution. Now, soil pollution is referred as the soil contamination. It occurs when soil reduces the soil quality and make inhabitable organizational insect. Now here, I have said due to that plastic, due to that plastic layer between the uh, ground and above the ground, right? जब मिट्टी के ऊपर जब ये आपके पॉलिथीन रहते हैं, तो ये सॉइल का जो सॉइल है, लैंड के अंदर जो सॉइल है, they are going to decrease the quality of that soil. So again here we can say they are going to reduce the quality of soil. So they are going to contaminate, they are going to do a soil pollution that will decrease the productivity in the agricultural sector or any of the sector. Next one over here is, next point, this destroy the ecosystem. These destroy the ecosystem necessary to sustain the quality of soil, and industrial activities cause soil contamination in the several ways. Now here they are going to destroy the ecosystem which has to be maintained for the quality of soil. See, as you see, now the people are going to put their waste under the land. So if they are going to put waste in on under the land, now again there is a decrease in the quality of soil. Again there is a soil pollution by the industrial sector too. One of the major factor that causing the soil contamination in India is the use of inorganic fertilizers. If we are going to use this if this organic inorganic fertilizers somewhere or the other, we are going to generate soil pollution in India. Industrial development, right? Industrial development lead to soil pollution due to erosion, compaction, and damage resulting from the construction and the mining activity. Now, these activities again going to do the soil pollutions. Next one, noise pollution. On the daily basis, we are the one who is creating the noise as well as we are bearing the noise. Right? Noise means कोई भी आवाज. It's nothing like that. It should be your traffic. The sounds which are more, you are not bearable by that. राइट जब आप वो साउंड नहीं सुन पाते हैं या बहुत ज़्यादा होती, दैट इज ऑल्सो है नॉइज पोल्यूशन. इंडस्ट्रियल एक्टिविटीज कॉज नॉइज पोल्यूशन थ्रू देयर मशीनरीज, right? Through their space part, through the different terms which they are going to make a noise. Now this noise pollution can be done through construction, quarrying, machinery and equipments. They are going to be generators, electric and drilling, and so caused the noise pollution. Drilling की आवाज भी some people can't bear it because it's too noisy, right? So generation, electricity, some that noise we are still not able to hear. So that is also noise pollution. For example, if I have not I just switch off my fan, right? So you people can hear me very properly, but if I'm going to just on my fan, you won't be able to, because there is a more noise on my background which will again give you a noise pollution, not able to hear me properly. Next one over here is there is a heavy movement on the of traffic. This is the one of the best example for the noise pollution. पी 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 बस हमारी गाड़ी आगे चलनी चाहिए, ट्रैफिक जाए भाड़ में. अरे you people, if see if people know that there's a huge traffic in that area, so either I can change the route or either I can just do a smart part over there. So whenever if my car is not moving, I will just switch off my car को बंद कर दूंगी at that time, so that I can just be very calm with, there will be no noise pollution from my side as well as no air pollution. Next one over here is, oh sorry, I think I forgot the animation over here. So sorry. Now this is a toxic waste. Now this toxic waste is produced by many industries, and these toxic waste are very difficult to recycle. It poses a several problems of disposable. ये toxic waste ना आपके recycle होते ही नहीं है, और अगर होंगे तो बहुत 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 कम चांसेस है ये आपके रिसाइकल होंगे. Now, it can be cause biological hazards, radioactivity, chemical contaminator of water and soil, right? This can generate by healthcare industries, chemical industries and the nuclear plant. Mostly these toxics are by generated. ये waste कौन generate करता है? Healthcare industries, as this is the example where we can say, as you seen in the news, कि ड्यू टू दिस कोविड 19, राइट, इंजेक्शन अगर एक बार लगता है तो दूसरी बार हम वो वही सुई से दूसरे को इंसान को नहीं लगा सकते, राइट. सो दिस मास्क अगर मैंने लगाया तो आप नहीं लगा सकते. सो देर आर मेनी वेस्टेज. अभी सुई एक को लगा दूसरे को नहीं लगा सकते, तो अगेन then that sui will is not the recycling part, right? It is very difficult to recycle them. So there is a huge we can say uh, large wastage generated by the industry, healthcare industries, chemical industries and the nuclear plant. Now in India, as per the study, waste in India is generated or be increased by 2.5% per year. So I hope you are clear with the types of different pollution in India. Now we are moving ahead. What are the causes of industrial pollution? So the first one was unplanned industrial growth. जब भी if we are not planning that we have to just expand our business, if we are not planned with the proper strategies that we are going to start the business, right? So there will be more and more wastage or a pollution. So industrial growth and urbanization in India, right, has progressed in the unplanned manner, right? So wo growth hua hai, we are not saying that there is no growth in the industrial sector. There is a huge growth in the industrial sector, but we have not planned in a proper way, right? So these lead to all types of pollution: air pollution, your soil pollution, your water pollution, your toxic pollution. There are many small scale units which are located in different areas, different clusters, different localities, different your urban cities and rural cities, right? So if they're located and they are going to again generate the wastage, again there is an increase in the pollution level. Next one over here is the use of outdated technology. Use of outdated technology. So many industries units are slow. Many industrial units, we can say many industries which are very slow to adapt the new technologies, right? To address the problem of pollutions. But how can we define that this new technology are the eco-friendly? हम कैसे बोल सकते कि दिस टेक्नो, देर मे बी दे आर गोइंग टू जनरेट लेस वेस्टेज एज कंपेयर टू द ओल्डर वन, right? So somewhere or the other, they are going to even reduce the soil, noise pollution. They are going to reduce the toxic forms and they may sometimes generate the toxic waste. So we have to just take a technology which is very less harmful to the environment. So this is one of the problem, and here this is called the emission of toxic fumes, generation of toxic waste, and the noise pollution. See, if we are going to take new technology, ठीक है, no, there is no that much as compared to the noise. It is not that much, but still, does they are going to generate less wastage? If no, then again this way, this technology again going to help. They are going to help, or we can say negative effect on the environment. Again, they're going to generate more and more pollution. Next one over here is the use of water in the industrial process. There are large quantities of waters which are used in the industrial. Waters are used for the different production. Waters are used for the different departments. Waters are used for the different uh, techniques of production, right? So we need water in the large quantity. So they required large number of water, actually large number of large amount of water, large in a quantities of water. So waters which can be used in different production contact with the harmful chemicals, with the harmful metals, with the radioactive and the biological waste. Again, this water I cannot be used in other terms. मैं वो पानी को किसी और चीज में यूज नहीं कर सकती. Then now that water uh, I have to just remove from my industry. So we are going to just release that water in the rivers and in the seas. Again, we are going to polluting them. See, this lockdown has explained that if we are not going to destroy our environment, if we are not going to destroy our seas, rivers, which is called gifted things, right? So if we are going to keep them as a sustainable development or in a sustained manner, then that environment will be giving us a fresh water. That environment will be giving us very fresh air for the living, right? So here, as we are going to treat the environment with a different pollution, they are going to treat us in the same manner. Next one over here is the poor implementation of policies and the law. This is one of the main problems of your pollution. There are some laws, there are some specific policies which you have to just make sure that whenever you're going to start a business, or whenever you're going to start with the industrial process, you have to implement that. But as we are in India, as there are many developing countries, they are failed. They are failed for the effective environmental policies and the law. They are unable to implement that policies. Enforcement of law was defective. लॉ बनाया है, but no one is there to follow that law in a very proper and in a very efficient manner. There is a defect. बनाने से नहीं होता, implement करने से होता है law. So there is a defect in the law, in the enforcement part, not for the policy making, for the implementation. However, in today's most countries have put this law to control to the certain global efforts and the initiative by the United. So again, they have to control the pollution, और ये pollution को control करने के लिए they have created this laws and policy at the global level, at the international level, which is initiative by the United Nation. Next one over here is the inefficient waste disposable system. This is the second last causes of the industrial pollution. In this, they have explained with the unplanned and the rapid industrial development. एक तो there is an increase in the industrial sector. There is a more growth in the industrial sector as compared to the other sectors, and we have not planned it. So India is going to generate waste at a very rapid rate. वहाँ यहाँ पे ये लोग जो वेस्ट है, दे आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज एट द वेरी हाईएस्ट रेट. दे आर गोइंग टू increase the waste. They are going to generate the waste at the very higher level because there is an increase in the industrial sector, right? So that will again going to generate the waste. India is also facing challenges of the effective disposing the industrial waste, which is include your e-waste. Now तुम कंट्री का छोड़ो, हम अपनी बात करते हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस टेक अ बैग? हम में से कौन कितना बैग लेता है rather than using a plastic polythene, right? हमको शॉपिंग जाना होगा तो we never carry anything. Can we carry a bag which is more durable, right, which is not harmful to the environment? So we don't carry that, right? And now as per this, the government has initiative for banning a plastic polythene. You are ready to pay 15 to 20 rupees for the plastic polythene at the DMart and your big bazaar, right? But you are not ready to carry your bags which are not disposable, which is your eco-friendly, right? In between, why we are focusing on this material, why we are focusing on these areas? Because these are the very important areas, right? As well as your e-waste are not there are very few chances of converting e-waste in the recycle process. Now this is your last one: absence of national wide pollution taxes. There is no national wide tax is imposed, currently being imposed in India. So through suggestions made by the Green Tribunal, there is another reason why industrial pollution is very high in different countries. Now, as you see, when I say about the pollution, Delhi was one of the uh, area where there is a large air pollution. वहाँ पे इतना ज़्यादा air pollution, they have started with the odd and even. Why? Because they have to decrease the pollution over there, whether it's a noise pollution, whether it's a air pollution, but mostly they are affected for the air pollution because people are not ready. People are not ready, they are not getting a free oxygen. So now, as you can see, a few months before, there was an ad, we can say there is a few statements regarding to that there will be a bar where you will be getting a fresh oxygen. So this is the situation now in our country. We have to we have to stop this pollution. Rather than using a plastic bag, we are going to use the your eco-friendly bag, which is made up of cloth, right? So we are going to use that. I hope you are clear with this content, your introduction of pollution, what are the types of pollution and what are the causes of your pollution. If you have any doubts related to this, this is a very we can say content which you have already been learned, but we have to learn from the point of view of industrial activities, because I have given the example of Ganga Ghat. It is one of the we can say a fresh example, or a fresh, we can say here, current knowledge that we have just invested 20,000. So it's better we can put a lockdown for the on those areas where still a pollution is going to be more and more. Now there is no air pollution. In the lockdown there was no air pollution. As you see, during that lockdown period, the people were not out from their house, right? So people were not driving, so there was not air pollution, there was not noise pollution. We can hear the natural things. So we have to just minimize the pollution so that we can just feel what is the natural things which is there in the economy. So if you have any doubt, please let me know. Okay, thank you so much and God bless you all students.